Hey everybody, it's Jeff from the Yawk, and today we're pulling out another oldie but goodie from the New York City Vault here on the New York Channel. We're going to visit the Stephen A. Schwarzman building here in Manhattan. What in the world, you may be asking, is the Stephen A. Schwarzman building? Well, it's more commonly known as the main branch of the New York Public Library, and it's the flagship building in the New York Public Library system and a national landmark in Midtown Manhattan, New York City. The structure contains 4 stories that are open to the public, and the main entrance steps which we see here are at 5th Avenue at the intersection of 41st Street, and this particular branch contains an estimated 2.5 million volumes in its stacks. The building was declared a National Historic Landmark, a National Register of Historic Places site, and a New York City designated landmark in the 1960s. This building was opened on May 23, 1911, and is directly east of Bryant Park, which sits right behind it. The marble facade of the building contains ornate detailing, and the 5th Avenue entrance, which is where we are now, is flanked by a pair of stone lions that serve as the library's icon. The lions' names, if you don't know, is Patience and Fortitude. The main branch has been featured in many television shows, including Seinfeld and Sex and the City, as well as films such as The Wiz in 1978, Ghostbusters in 1984, and The Day After Tomorrow in 2004. As you can see, this building is beautiful on the outside, but even more so beautiful on the inside, and we're going to do a thorough walkthrough. We're going to visit all the places that are available to the public once we get inside. Another New York Vault video, the New York City Public Library main branch building. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.